Welcome to Comcast Local Edition. I'm Donna Richardson, and my guest this hour is the Honorable Michael Zimmer, Commissioner and Secretary for Carroll County Commissioners. Commissioner, thank you so much for joining me.
My pleasure.
Now, you've been on the council the commission for the last 3 years.
Yes.
And thank you so much for your service to the residents. And you have an environmental focus that is quite interesting, waste to energy. So tell us about that and how we can also support it.
Sure. Right now, Carroll County transfers by truck, a long-haul transfer of our municipal solid waste, between 15 and 12 truckloads a day out of state for our trash. What we're looking to do is a joint project with Frederick County where we would combine our trash stream and it would actually be burned, used as a fuel to generate electricity that would go back onto the power grid and used in all of our homes and businesses. Some of the advantages of the waste to energy is a reduction in the volume of the trash by 90%, which saves a lot of space in our landfill. In other countries, actually, they use this ash, the bottom ash, after you've burned the trash. They turn that into aggregate for road beds. There's concrete products you can make out of that. In our country, that has not been embraced as much because our costs for those constituent materials are relatively inexpensive. In the future, I think that the bottom ash will be used in those methods. If nothing else, you're saving a ton of space in your landfill. So that's very important.
Right.
Another key ingredient of the advantage of the waste energy is your sale of electricity, and you also can collect metal after the trash is burned. You run it through a magnet and it pulls that ferrous metal out. The sale of electricity and the sale of that metal through recycling can basically cover the cost of your debt service or your construction cost of the project. So those are some of our key advantages.
So it's definitely a win-win for everyone, not so much volume in the landfill. And also, as you and I were talking, you find that jurisdictions that use waste to energy also have a higher recyclable rate.
We've noticed that in places such as Harford County, which has a waste to energy plant, and Montgomery County also has a waste to energy plant. Both those counties have extremely high recycling rates, and that's definitely our goal also. We embrace the motto of reduce, reuse, and recycle, and we have a recycling manager who helps us do that. Another really neat thing about this project is, since we're going in with Frederick County and the project will be located in Frederick County Board of Commissioners have actually cited this in conjunction with a wastewater treatment plant, a sewage treatment plant. The water that we use to create the steam is actually going to be treated effluent from the sewage treatment plant, which is going to eliminate, or at least partially eliminate, a point source of pollution into the Monocacy River, where that effluent would have been discharged otherwise.
Oh, so yes, there's a lot of valuable ways that this is going to benefit us. Now, how can the residents support this, get involved, and make this a success?
Well, we're done with our process both in Frederick County Board of Commissioners and Carroll County Board of Commissioners. We're now in a permit and design phase in which the winning vendor, the operator, has the responsibility of getting a permit. If people want to participate in that permit process, they are welcome to do so. That will go through both the Maryland Department of Environment and the EPA for the federal government. Okay.
And if they have questions or want to get more information about how they can get involved, how can they reach you?
They can call my office, 410-386-2400. They can email me. We have a very good website for the county that has background information on all these issues. They'd be very welcome to reach out in those methods.
Well, this definitely sounds like a great project. I wish you much success in the bidding process and hopefully get this off the ground soon.
Thank you.
My guest this hour has been the Honorable Michael Zimmer, Commissioner and Secretary for the Carroll County Commissioners. And if you're interested in what Comcast is doing in your community, go to On Demand and click Get Local. For Comcast Local Edition, I'm Donna Richardson.